hold the plane. Yan. Put your two thumbs in the middle. Push it downwards slowly to make a hold. Tusok, sir. Tusok. Yan. Tusukin mo pa. Ibaon mo. Ayan. Ngayon naman, ipo ka. Dahan-dahan lang. Widen. Slowly remove your head. Okay, now just compress the bottom part. May I hold you since we're going to do the cylinder together. You are going to relax and then slide it up to the tip. Okay, one more time at the very bottom, please. Relax a little and then slide it up to the top of the plate. And that's your cylinder. Now you are going to widen that into a mangkok. Mangkok po ang beginner shape natin, sir. Apat na daliri sa loob. You are going to push it outwards while pushing pull it up to the tip of the plate. Hold at the top, slowly release. One more time. Tulak muna the very bottom. Dahan-dahan ang akyat. Up to the top, hold at the very tip, release. Isa pa po. Push outwards, out. Up to the tip, hold at the top. Ay, pinibilisan naman ang kamay na tail. Yan lang po, sir. Yung
Magician po kasi yan.
Tulak. And then akyat. Akyat. Yan. Let's take it in at least 3 seconds. Then, there you go. Pwede na to sa
Dakan.
dinakdakan pa lang gusto ni sir.
Burrito ni Ronel yun eh.
Next.
Take a photo with your dinakdakan bow. Flat po.
Right.
Dakan.
Dapat.
Okay.